Good morning, students. Welcome to the General Knowledge class 7th. Today, we are going to start with a new lesson of GK. It's lesson number 9, Space Family. What is space? Space is an area beyond the limit of the atmosphere of the Earth. It denotes the universe. The universe is everything we can touch, feel, sense, measure, or detect. It includes living things, planets, stars, galaxies, dust clouds, light, and even the time. Before the birth of the universe, time, space, and matter didn't exist. The universe contains billions of galaxies, each containing million or the billion of stars. The space between the stars and the galaxies is largely empty. However, even the places far from the stars and the planets contain the scattered particles of the dust or a few hydrogen atoms per cubic centimeter. Space is also filled with the radiations and the energy particles. Now let's identify the following heavenly bodies by reading about them. It is a group of billions of stars of which our own sun is a member. Can you guess? A group of billions of stars? It's a Milky Way galaxy. It is visible from Earth as a hazy band of white light, some 30-degree white, arcing across night sky. It is the second largest galaxy in the local group. It is approximately 20 billion times the mass of the Sun. It contains between 100 to 400 billion stars. It moves through the space at a velocity of about 552 kilometers per second. Now, number 2 is these are the small heavenly bodies that become luminous by friction and the burn on entering the Earth atmosphere. Yes, it is meteor. Meteor is a small rock that is falling through the Earth atmosphere. It creates a line or a streak across the sky for a moment as it burns up due to its high speed and friction with the atmosphere. Friction creates heat, and enough heat can create a fiery ball of rock that can be seen from the Earth. They are usually visible while in the Earth mesosphere at between 76 and 120 kilometers above the Earth. Number 3. It is a luminous celestial body around the Sun, usually with a long shining tail. Students, any guesses regarding the luminous celestial body around the Sun with a long shining tail? It is comet. What is comet? A comet is a small heavenly body consists of mainly dust, ice, and some small gritty particles. Sometimes it is called dirty snowballs. Its size range from as small as 1 mile to large as 300 miles. It have 2 tails, a dust tail and a plasma tail. The well-known Halley's Comet will come back into the solar system sometimes in 2061. Over 3,000 comets are known to exist in our solar system in this time. Number 4. It is formed when a large star uses up its supply of fuel, collapses under its own weight and explodes. Can you guess what it is which explodes with its own weight? It is supernova. A supernova is the biggest explosion that humans have ever seen. Each blast is extremely bright, super powerful of a star. Astronomers believe that about 2 or 3 supernova occur each century in galaxies like our own galaxy Milky Way. Supernova are brighter than any other galaxy. It can easily outshine an entire galaxy of stars in a single burst. The oldest recorded supernova dates back almost 2000 years ago. Chinese astronomers noticed the bright light in the sky. They documented their observation in the Book of Later Han. They named this supernova as a guest star. This was named as a guest star supernova in the book. Number 5. These are large meteors that reaches the Earth. They are highly useful for the scientific researches. Students, any guesses which are the large meteors that reach the Earth's surface? Yes, these are meteoroids. Meteoroid is a bright streak of light in the sky. They are called shooting stars or the falling star, and it is simply a material from the solar system falling to the Earth. Meteoroid is a chunk of space rock. If it burns up while entering the Earth's atmosphere, it is called meteor, and if a piece lands, it is called meteoroid. Millions of meteoroids travel through the Earth's atmosphere every day, but most are small and burned up quickly. Very few reach the ground. The buying and the selling of the meteoroid pieces in South Africa is illegal. A meteoroid that is seen or detected as it lands are called false, and while those who are discovered, they are called finds. Meteoroids more than 10 meters in diameter are classified as asteroids. Number 6. These are the clouds of gases that exist between the stars and glow due to the radiation of the lights of the stars. These are nebula, a cloud of dust, hydrogen, helium, and the other gases in interstellar space. These dust clouds exist all over the universe and range in size. There are mainly 4 types of nebula. Diffuse nebula. These are the general type of nebula. They are named so as they don't have beginning or end. Number 2. Planetary nebula. These are also called butterfly nebula. This nebula is formed by the death of already formed stars. Number 3. Supernova, formed from the death of star in a huge cosmic explosion. Number 4. Dark nebula. This type of nebula takes shape and size from the surrounding light and nebulae. Due to the dark nature of the clouds, these are formed, really just like the shadow. Now students, the Betelgeuse and the Alpha Orions, one of the largest stars known, is located 640 light years away from the Earth. It is the second brightest star in the constellation Orion and the 9th brightest star in the sky. With this, we have completed our lesson number 9, Space Family. Thank you.